Need to reconnect your Ring camera to a new Wi-Fi network? This video will guide you through the process step by step. As of 2026, Ring has made this process easier, but it's still important to follow the correct steps to ensure a smooth reconnection. We'll cover everything from resetting your device to troubleshooting common issues. With the latest Ring app, version 5.2, the Wi-Fi migration feature will help with the process. First, open the Ring app on your smartphone or tablet. Navigate to the device you want to reconnect by selecting it from your device list. Go to Device Settings from the Selected Devices menu. Select Remove Device. This is a crucial step to disassociate the camera from the old network. Ensure you confirm the removal in the app to proceed. Now you need to physically reset the Ring camera. Locate the Setup button on your device. This button's location varies depending on the model. Press and hold the Setup button for 10 to 15 seconds. You'll know the reset is successful when the light on the camera starts flashing. This clears the previous Wi-Fi settings. Return to the Ring app. Tap the plus icon to add a new device. Follow the app's instructions to select your Ring device type. The app will then scan for your camera using Bluetooth or by scanning a QR code on the device. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your new Wi-Fi network's name and password. Ring cameras support both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands. For best results, especially with cameras, using the 2.4 GHz band is often more reliable due to its better range. Also, ensure your Wi-Fi network uses WPA2 or WPA3 encryption for security. Outdated encryption methods may cause connection problems. Encountering problems? First, ensure your Ring app and camera firmware are up to date. Outdated software causes a significant percentage of reconnection failures, up to 40% according to user reports. Check for firewall blocks, which can prevent the camera from connecting to your network. Temporarily disable your firewall to test if this resolves the issue. Also, be aware of potential ISP throttling, where your internet provider limits speeds. Contact your ISP if you suspect this is interfering with the connection. Finally, be aware of potential interference from other electronic devices, such as microwaves, cordless phones, or baby monitors operating on the same frequency. For optimal performance with mesh networks like Eero or Google Nest, ensure your Ring camera connects to the closest network node. Mesh systems create multiple access points throughout your home, and connecting to the nearest one provides the strongest signal and most reliable connection. The current trend in smart home technology is towards seamless integration. Devices are becoming smarter about automatically detecting and adapting to network changes, reducing the need for manual intervention and making the entire setup process more user-friendly. Many newer Ring devices include advanced auto-reconnect features that use artificial intelligence to predict potential Wi-Fi disruptions. When the system detects an upcoming issue, such as a router reboot or signal interference, the camera can automatically switch to backup connections or reconnect seamlessly without user intervention. Ring is actively adopting the Matter protocol, an industry standard that enables seamless interoperability between smart home devices from different brands. This means your Ring camera can work more effectively with devices from Google, Apple, Samsung, and other manufacturers, creating a more unified and compatible smart home ecosystem. Reconnecting your Ring camera to new Wi-Fi involves removing the device, resetting it, and repairing it through the Ring app. By following these steps and troubleshooting common issues, you can ensure a successful reconnection. With Ring's ongoing improvements and advancements in smart home technology, the process is becoming increasingly user-friendly. Remember to keep your app and firmware updated for the best experience.